Hey, this is Marc B, and I'm a DJ producer, and I'm a young visionary. This is Industry Insights, making your own lane as a DJ. I want all DJs to realize their power, because we are important in every aspect of what we do, from the clubs to the concerts to the stage. Once we realize our importance and realize what we bring to the stage, we're able to capitalize on that 1,000% more. On this episode, I want to go over the important aspects of what being a DJ is. The first step into making your own lane as a DJ is respecting the craft. I think coming up when I was DJing, it was about learning why I really wanted to do it, being involved in music, knowing how I wanted to really go at it. It really wasn't any path to it. And I think that was the start. I was passionate about it. I was inspired by going to clubs and looking at other DJs DJ. I think it took research. It took me to see what actually these things mean, what the computer mean, how people scratch, how people do that. I think that just allowed me to be where I'm at today. I think just respecting the other people that was before me and respecting the people that was behind me. I'm just being interested in music. And I think that's just what you got to do. That's the first step.